How you going, guys? Mechanic Shiv here. Now we've taken off basically most of the components: high pressure fuel pump, common rail. We've taken off the vacuum pump, which was a bit difficult. The video was a bit shitty, but this is real life. Just trying to record it. Bit of swearing in there. What's it called? The electrical connectors are out. Injector harness is out. So we're going to be focusing on this harness here. We're going to be focusing on this breather tube with the PCV. We're going to be unclipping that and putting it down, and maybe get to the video where we take out our cam magnet phasers for the camshafts. So just get your pricking tool. I want to flick these open. It can be a bit stubborn sometimes. Or I can just pull them out like so if you want to. Okay, I'm probably going to pull it off from here to make it a bit slack. Okay, I'm just going to come around here, and there's a little tabs here, so you press them outside of the car, and then there'll be another one inside here. So you're going to press that again, and then we're going to tuck that underneath, just on the exhaust manifold shield. It will be a bit tight, but you'll be able to manage it. There is a hook here, so you'll need to pull it up, and that's for the positive battery harness. So we'll try and see if what we can do with it. Otherwise I might just piss it off completely this way. Move it away from the high pressure line, and just move it away. So just gonna see how that's gonna work out for me. Yep, so I'm gonna loop it around, and when I get this whole assembly like so, move it this way. Okay, and then this line here, this can just stay up. So now we're getting very close to taking off the rocker cover. We've got a few things here we got to take note of. So see this thing here, that's our PCV. So we're going to go in, soak that up. Okay, WD-40, rust off, anything lubricant, even silicone spray. I'm going to press down, and because the oil is going to do its job. Take it out. I kind of pinched my hand just there, but it's alright, we'll come enough about it. I'll leave that there. Okay, and then we're going to get our pick. We're just going to pick out our sensors, our harnesses 1 and 2, and then these things, they are interchangeable, so I don't have to worry too much, but I will, just for sake, write them in. So E for exhaust and I for intake. So like so, and it's E6 Torx bit, and then yeah, we'll take these off. Like so. So I'll just take them out one by one. They are on a rubber O-ring. Okay, slowly find a gap here. We want to pull them evenly, and we're just fighting the O-ring. Okay. Very slowly. Might give the back connector a bit of a go, and off they come, like so. Okay, so I'm going to put that in the boot, come back. Go ahead and slap our bolts back in. You're going to be careful when you tighten them. Most of these things will be 10 Newton meters, but most of this stuff is getting tightened into the plastic housing of the rocker cover. You're going to be very careful when you tighten it. They have thick rubber O-rings, so they will do the most of the work. So, I'm going to take off this side too. Once again, very, very slowly, gently. That vacuum pump really got to me. Tried to keep my cool, but just really got to me. Yeah, so these come out. Okay, so now we're pretty much naked, and just go around it. Now you're basically left with a step where I'll move that out of the way. That's for the electronics. You're basically at a step where now these bolts have to come out on the side of the rocker cover, in the middle of the rocker cover, and you're all set. You're all set to go. So I'll just show you that. That's awesome. So yeah, we'll take that out. Then next step will be to pull the injectors out after we pull the rocker cover out. Once the injectors are out, the injector wheels have to come out. Then we can get access to the Valvetronic motor, and then we'll show you how to load that up and take it out. It's going to get a bit technical from here, so we'll go from there.